Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Perplexity Pro discount offer, that is they are actually specifically offering it for school, university, college going students. If you directly type on Google Perplexity Pro student, the very first website which comes, this is their official website. So exactly they have tell Perplexity Pro does not currently offer a university 12-month free subscription for students, but they have this Education Pro discount program for verified students and educators, which cuts the standard Pro cost in half. So they offer this 50% discount for students. So if you click on the link right here, simply register with a valid Google account and click on Get Started. So whatever is the cost of the Pro plan, which is $17. So if you basically prove or verify that you are a student or educator, you can get 50% discount. So right here you click on Get Pro, and after that the cost will be cut by 50% if you are actually a student. So by default, let me just go to the actual dashboard and show to you this program. So once you log in inside your Perplexity account right here, click on the upgrade plan button right here in the left hand side. So if you click on that, there will be three plans. This is a personal plan which costs you $17 per month for the Perplexity Pro. And then there is a second one which is education. So this is the program that they're running, Education Pro. And as you see, the price is 50% off. The normal price is $17. And for students education plan, we have $9 per month. So the cost is cut 50%. So this is the discount that they're running. If you prove that you are a student, there are two buttons available: verify as student or educator. So if you are a teacher, then also you get 50% discount. If you are a student, then also. So you see, you 50% discount. You also get $40 of free computer credits as well. So click on this button, verify as student, and then you need to fill out this form which actually proves that you are a student. Select your country, enter your school name. So as soon as you type this, the drop down suggestions will come. So from this drop down, simply select your university, school or college. After that, simply enter the first name and the last name, and then enter your date of birth. So this is really simple, it doesn't take too much time. And then enter your email address and simply click verify my student status, and then they will go with the verification. It will send out a this here you need to enter the academic email address. So this needs to be your school, college or university email address which is issued by the institution. So that email address you need to write right here. After that they will send out an email to that email address to verify. And if you don't have an email address, you can upload a document proving that you are a student. This can be any document, like your full name appears on Google school records, or academic institution name or logo, academic year or current term date, issue date with the last 90 days, expiration date that has not passed. It can be any document proving that you are a student. It can be a school ID card, class schedule, tuition receipt, can be an image PDF file as well. So click on add documents, and right here you can select the image file and then simply submit this. So they will verify this, and once you are actually verified and your plan will be activated, you will get 50% discount on Perplexity Pro from $17 to $9. So these are the steps guys that you need to take. They are offering this Education Pro program specifically for students and giving 50% of discount. So it's on limited time. Don't waste any time. If you are a student, you can actually get a 50% discount.